It's not your portal. It's not for which you have been prepared. It's different. It's hidden. And that's why you need to reach its energy through your subconscious and remove any interruption in your ascension. My child, actually, two portals are available to you right now. They have different energies, different gates for you, and you have to decide which portal you want to access for yourself. While one is tempting and very close to your heart desires, the other one is related to detachment and higher level of spirituality. So it is necessary to stop for a moment to bring clarity in your thoughts and feelings and slow down before you decide to enter any portal. My child, no, the first portal is Lion Gate portal or A Gate portal that may ignite your own triggers through your past twin flame feelings or thoughts. It may tempt you to access your twin flame energy and manifest them in the physical reality. Why? You know it very well. You can't have them in your life. You may go after their energy and expect some unexpected miracle from the universe. My child, the other portal is the portal of higher level of consciousness and new opportunities. It is related to detachment and it sees all the worldly things as an illusion. It is hidden because it doesn't want approval from others. It has attained its divinity, but it is open to those who are on this path, selfless, and want to work for the humanity. So now, as it considers you a worthy vessel for its energy, it is necessary you also gather your thoughts and redefine your goals to enter this portal. My child, just don't tell us what you want. We know your choice. We know it's not difficult for you. You can actively monitor your thoughts. So now, as you are ready to enter this portal, we invite you to feel this hidden portal in moments of quiet introspection. No, it's a gateway to the core of your being. It's a threshold to the inner sanctum where the soul's essence merges with the universal heartbeat. It is the realization of your true nature. It is a journey inward to the place where you are one with the all. So it is necessary to feel it in moments of quiet introspection and practice some meditation technique or rituals that can help you connect with the hidden portal within. You can either practice inner silence, in which, in a quiet space, you have to sit with eyes closed. Focus on the breath until thoughts subside and listen for the whispers of the soul. Or heart center meditation, in which you have to bring attention to the heart center. Feel the energy there expand with each breath. As you focus on the heart, sense the love and connection that flow through it. The hidden portal is a doorway from this heart space to the universal heart. A light visualization, in which you have to visualize a soft light at the center of your being. Let this light grow, filling you with radiance. As the light expands, sense the dissolving of boundaries between you and the universe. In this unity, the hidden portal reveals pathways to inner wisdom. My child, whether you choose inner silence method, heart center meditation, or light visualization, in a moment of stillness, you have to offer gratitude to the universe, to your ancestors, and to your own soul. You have to express thanks for the connections that guide you. Remember, this portal is veiled from the outer world's distractions, opening instead to the quiet yearning of the heart and the stillness of inner contemplation. It's a threshold to the core of your being, where love, wisdom, and unity all reside. So just clear all the lower energies and approach this portal with all the sincerity, as it's a place of true light, and it's a place where you do reside in essence, with infinite love. Thank you.